Your Honor, thank you very much. We anoint you today and going forward. You are a great king and you're going to be the king. Mwanjana lingane linateba. Mwali anjerana. Bas. Ikiangera abantu baitu no Nyangenya. Go back home. Iwako boli chikura. Bagenda. Bagosera. Bagenda. They never remember to come back and say thank you. Asogo tene laini for long hours. Nago vote for long hours. They forget about what they promised. They go. It's rare. And we are calling for our community to represent us. If we can only get to a level, then we set down rules. Lakini uweto ma igako genda munata gete. So tokirana se metroplex. Yona tevenga se miaka mekana very US. Umuchukoro yone. He's the first one na rugo cho tebe community ngambi. Yamono mwanto mete. Nkagenda ngaika. Wonde ngentoko anyata tebe ngiringa ki. Muratua moto mete. Ngakia igete. Usebana. Ilinde ngakiende naende tuko cha kumotoma tomanya ngaki no ngoikale bono gosa goika marega okuba kubana usebana. And one of the things we have to tell each other no go tuara integrity, to be accountable to our actions, to be sincere, to do the best. When you call a sweeper or make sure nga ogo sweep clean. Bali ba kuoga bono. Bali ba kuoga alia. Vincent nchuga akichinko bibono no mongwano imole komo. Nchumwa akachinko biga. Okay, sawa. So, asenge joli tukula lero ne litukulia lero. Ne liito tokomotebi atukumubule maswali. Era bono ntagete tumwe akabaga. Agasinini. Elinda chatebi ngaki. Asetua motomete na iketo usebona iketa kanyachima mbajirenjira so lende onyochinyole tatevinga gose nenguba tabwate. You see, but however nto fall short of Tueba korom nonyene engoko egechuchu korole kauchi kabaga tuone mapema sio na makoyon yapokorra. So